Mastering Time Management, GRE Analytical Writing, Argument Task. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into an essential aspect of the GRE's analytical writing section, particularly the argument task. Time management is a challenge for many test takers, but with the right strategies, it doesn't have to be. Let's learn how you can optimize your time and produce a well-structured response. Before diving into time management, it's crucial to understand the argument task's core demands. You'll be presented with a short argument and tasked to evaluate its reasoning. Remember, you aren't stating your own views but analyzing the given argument. This clear distinction is vital for your approach and time allocation. You have 30 minutes for the argument task. Here's how to make the most of them. 1. Reading and understanding, 3–4 minutes. Skim the prompt to grasp the main idea, then read it again more carefully. 2. Planning, 5–7 minutes. Jot down the main flaws or assumptions you notice. This step ensures you have a clear roadmap before you start writing. 3. Writing, 18–20 minutes. Follow your plan. Begin with an introduction, address the argument's flaws in the body, and conclude succinctly. 4. Review, 2–4 minutes. Check for grammatical errors, clarity, and ensure you've addressed the key points. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get at timing yourself. Familiarity leads to efficiency. Stay calm. Panicking will eat up your time and hinder your performance. Take a deep breath and focus on the task at hand. Skip the fluff. The GRE values clear, concise responses. Avoid adding unnecessary information. Use a watch. While the GRE interface has a timer, having a wristwatch can make glances quicker and less disruptive. Time management is a skill that can be honed with practice and the right strategies. By understanding the task and partitioning your time wisely, you're setting yourself up for success. We hope this video has shed light on how to approach the GRE's argument task confidently. Best of luck, and remember, every minute counts.